to another episode of Crypto Moose. My name is Mitchell Bouchard, and we got to put that up on the screen so you all know. I am your crypto and NFT investor, enthusiast, whatever you want to call it. What we're going to do today is go over my top 3 Cardano NFT projects. So let's go over to the main screen here, and we're on jpeg.store. That's basically where we're living when it comes to these projects. So what are the top 3 projects that I like that I think are going to do well over the long term? Now, we're not just going to talk about 3 projects. We're going to talk about 3 specific NFT projects. So one is going to be Kopi Land, and specifically for zones 1, 2, 3. All right, so I think these look good. I think they're affordable. So there we go. This is going to be Cornucopia's land sale for zones 1 and 3. I participated in the actual minting of this. So before NFTs get distributed to the marketplace, you are able to connect your wallet and mint them from the website or wherever they tell you to go from the Discord or Twitter. In this case, it's their website. And I minted for a few of these NFTs myself. So what I'll do is I will pop that open for you here just to show you which NFTs that I picked up myself. I'm pretty proud of some of the ones I got. I think I'm going to be holding on to them long term. So if we take a look at these, I have a nice large rare. So these are somewhat expensive if you want to pick one up. I minted this one for, I wish I knew the exact price. The price of ADA was significantly more as well. But anyways, that is definitely one of my favorite ones. Again, check out our other videos if you want to learn more about Kopi. That's really going to help you out. But if we go to Cornucopia's, we should be able to go to rares, right? So let's go to attributes. Should be here. Here we go. So we have large, and mine is rare, the one that I have. So as you go through Cornucopia's land, if you're looking to pick one up, you do want to get a rare one because I believe that's going to allow you to pick and choose a specific location. So yeah, there we go. The cheapest one is about 1100 ADA, so about 300 USD. Not bad for what you're getting. This is going to give you a decent plot of land when their game comes out. So that's going to be big going forward. I've been talking about this for years. I've been talking about it nonstop in the online courses. If you want to learn all about cryptos and NFTs, we have online courses as well. Okay, these are really good courses for you. All right, so that's the one I have. This is in one of my wallets. For those of you that want to send me an NFT, if it comes from you, send it to my Red Cape wallet. Okay. I also own quite a few ADA handles. Let's see, Best Coffee, Ticket Sale, Red Cape. Definitely send it to my wallet here. So I'm very bullish on these projects, right? So anyways, that is number 1. That's going to be Cornucopia's land sale, okay? Now, the second one is going to be the Bubble Jets. I am extremely bullish on these ones because I think they look sweet. They look sick, right? If you're gonna own any piece of Cornucopias, you should definitely pick up one of these Bubble Jets. Not telling you to do so, but here we go. $65 USD. You can pick up a vehicle asset that you will be able to use in the game. And what's good about these is that once you own the asset, now I don't know this for sure, but I believe that you will be able to rent these out in the game. So the vehicles that you own, you could rent out in the game. And that's why myself, I am picking up a few of these. So I've got 5 in this wallet. I have a hoarding problem with Cornucopias. I think they have the best NFT project, gaming project that is coming out. I'm talking about of any project in crypto. Okay, I think these are going to be worth significantly more in the next bull run. Okay, so it's going to be number 2. That's going to be the Bubble Jets for Cornucopias. They have rare ones, so I have one rare one. I'm trying to see if what the floor is. So about 390, you can pick up a nice rare one. So we'll even give you some options. And the way that Kopi does it is they have their common, uncommon, rare, legend, the mythic. And they do that for their land. They do that for all of their NFTs, it seems like, going forward, okay? But definitely do not sleep on cornucopias. Anything that they come out with, there's probably going to be value there, okay? So definitely pay attention to Kopi. Now, the third one that I like. Which one do I like? Which one do I like? Da, 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 da. I'm going to put it here. Now, there's a project that's coming out that I could share that I'm basically somewhat of an advisor for. But this is going to be Bosscat Rocket Club. I love these. I got in early. I picked up a few, flipped a couple, but I still own one because I love this. So here's my Bosscat. I like the art. I like that they're really building something. There's something here. If you're going to be investing into any, especially Cardano-based NFTs, this is definitely one to check out. Okay, these look sweet. It's a cool cat. This is one that I own. So, you could assume that it's worth about 1,100 ADA. I would say more like 1,300 because I wouldn't let it go anywhere here. But you can definitely pick these up significantly cheaper. I mean, this one is what, $266? Not bad for one of the top Cardano NFT projects. And there's a limited amount of these, right? But definitely, please comment down below which Cardano NFTs you like. Okay? These are my top 3 NFTs for Cardano. Let me know if you think I chose the right ones. These are ones that I am continuously going to be picking up over the next 3, 4, 5 months. If we're in a longer bear market, which we may be for the next couple of years, I'm going to keep picking these up because these are going to go up in value, in my opinion. All right. So anyways, that's all we have for you in this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much to everybody who's been watching this channel. Comment down below, please. Like the video, subscribe, because it's going to help me produce more content. If I see that the channel is growing, I will do more videos. I am the one commenting back in the videos. So if I put -Mitch, that's me commenting. I really want to get your feedback and everything. So remember, it's not your keys. It's not your freaking cheese.